stock market guide that will work for anyone. Investing your money in the stock market can be one of the wisest things you can do, in order to secure your financial future for yourself and your family. But it isn't without certain risks, so wise investors always take the time to do the research and to carefully consider each transaction. The advice in this video can help you to make investments that will pay off for years to come. Don't expect too much too soon from the stock market. If you think that you will make a mountain of money immediately, you are mistaken. The only way to make a significant return on your money is to take on a very risky stock. While there's a chance you may be successful, more likely than not you will end up losing some or all of your money. Keep it simple can apply to stock market investment. Reduce your risk by keeping all investment activities, including examining data points, predicting and trading, extremely simple. Keep in mind that investing should not be treated lightly. Banks treat stock market investing seriously, and so should you. Even though one may first think of the stock market as gambling, it is more serious than that. Take the time to understand thoroughly everything about the companies that you are investing. As you already know, wise investments in the stock market can be the key to securing the future of your finances. That is why it is so important to invest the time needed, in order to learn how to make the most of your money. This way, you don't have to learn the hard way by losing the money that you have worked so hard to earn and save. The tips in this video can help you stay on course, by only making wise investments. Now that you have a clear idea about trading, are you ready to start for free? Yes, you can access for free the best online trading platform that will help you fly over the tiring process of trials and errors. Start today for 100% free and enjoy the following 14 videos tutorial will help you to get started for free. Whether you're an EA programming guru or an absolute beginner, a video tutorial will take you step by step through how to create your own indicators and strategies without writing a single line of code. Scroll down the page below to see the first video on how to create a simple but useful indicator. Scroll down to video tutorials and play the YouTube video. And there's much more inside. You will learn how to design, backtest and optimize a winning strategy. It doesn't matter whether you're using MetaTrader or TradeStation, the videos are made for both platforms. 1. How to create indicators. 2. How to create strategies. 3. Daily breakout strategy. 4. Daily breakout with pending orders. 5. Strategy optimization. 6. Money management demonstration. 7. Trendline breakout automated entry. Check out the first video in the description. Your fellow mega winning trader, Barthélemy MC.